I'm going to give you a quick tour of my fishing rig. So here is my boat. Expires March 11. I guess I've got to get a tag on there. Right in the back of the truck. And there's my pontoons to keep me floating. And that's the Toyota. So as simple as that. I hooked the pontoons on the back of the boat. This little bracket here is the same bracket that the pontoon hooks on. And from what I can tell, the back end of the boat is only about an inch deep in the water when I'm sitting on the back seat and the pontoons are supporting it. Well, have a great day. Jeff Kurtz from Tuscarora Lake State Park.